Hi, Sheree here. Welcome back to Siren Hair Art. Today I'm recreating a red carpet look from the style icon Rita Ora, and this will be the look I've created, Rita Ora inspired long curls. So to create this look, this is the product line that I'll be using from ASP Affinage Mode. The salt spray I'm using to prep the hair, brush through before I curl. Then I'll use air loader for hold. I'll use Wonder Dust for root lift and volume. And I'm using glazer for a shiny finish. So first of all, I'll start with my salt spray, section the hair through, just give that a light spray and brush through, ready for my curling. So for the sweepy finished look at the front, I'm going to do a side part on the left hand side and do a deep V parting, and that will help give me that volume and sweepy finish through the front. So I'm putting that in now. Then I'm sectioning the hair in two. I'm starting in the nape, so I'm just doing a section from the nape to start my curls. I'll clip that out of the way now. And the same for the other side. And now I'm ready to do my curls. I'll work this side first. So I'm doing all this section of hair, I'm directing the hair back from the face. So all of these curls will be directed back. And this is my first section that I'm taking now. I'm using the Hot Tools curl bar. Small sections, and I'm wrapping the hair around the curl bar and holding for a few seconds. So as that's coming out of the curl, I'm going to use a hair grip to secure it as it's cooling. And I'll do that with every curl. So I'm just going to take my time, be patient, work on each section all the way up, following exactly that technique now. So follow me as I do this. Okay, so that's this side done. As you can see, on each small section that I did, I wound it tight and flat and kept the curl bar quite close to the head, and the curls were wound quite close together, and hold it on the end. If you want to wear a glove, I advise it because you have to be quite confident using the curl bar. And then at the top, each section I've placed on top of themselves to keep that root lift as well. So now I'm following exactly the same pattern, but we're directing the hair this way now. So I'm just going to continue this side. So these are all the curls completely pinned in now. I'm going to give it 5–10 minutes to completely cool down. Just follow a really neat sectioning pattern so you don't get lost. Follow the direction that I've shown you today, all directed back this half, all directed back that half, and then we did a deep angled parting on the left hand side. So let this cool and then I'll show you how to dress it out. Okay, so now we're ready to take the curls out. I'm going to ungrip them from the first one that I started with, work my way through right to the very last one. So follow me as I'm taking these out now. Okay, so I've checked all the grips out. You can see how big and bouncy this curl is. It gives such a gorgeous bouncy curl using the wide Hot Tools curl bar, which is perfect for my Rita Ora inspired long curls. So next step is dressing out. Okay, so I'm using the Air Loader hairspray. I'm just going to give a light spray through the hair. Then I'm using a soft nylon bristle brush to brush out to give a real smooth, big pulled out curl. So my next step now is the shape at the front was nice and big and full and sweeping round. So I explained I'm using the Wonder Dust, and that's what I'll use now on the roots to create the fullness and volume through the roots. So I'll start at the front. I'm just taking a small section to back brush and then just a light puff of powder. So now I'm using my soft brush to sweep the hair and place in the correct place that I want. Building up a little bit of hairspray too. So now I'm just going to use the spray and just tease the hair and place exactly where I want it now. Okay, so I've finished placing the hair. I'm happy with the placement now. Finishing with the final fix of the air loader spray. And then the glazer to finish to give a lovely shine. Just spray that from a distance. And this is my finished Rita Ora inspired long curls. Hope you like it. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I'll list the products that I used in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.